Hi guys, my name is Silas and today I'm going to show you how to install Python 3.9 on Amazon Linux 2. Before we do this, we need to install GCC compiler, and then after that we would have to download the Python files from the official website of Python. So let's start. First, let's install the GCC compiler, and to do that we're going to say sudo yum install gcc openssl-devel b-zip2-devel libffi-devel, and then hit enter. Guys, do not worry about the commands. I'm gonna put them in the description. You say yes to continue. The next thing is to download Python 3.9. Before that, we need to change the directory to opt. So now we're in opt. The next step is to download Python 3.9. Sudo https://python.python.org/ftp/python/3.9.6 tags. Depending on when you're watching this video, if there is a newer update of Python, so what you could do is just to get the link from the official Python website. It could be 3.97, it could be 3.98, depending on the latest version. Okay, now we've downloaded Python, we need to extract the files from the archive. So to do that, I'm going to say sudo tar xzf python #3.9.6.6 and then hit enter. Okay, that is done. So now the next step is to compile Python 3.9. So to do that, we do cd python 3.9.6. So we're in the directory, and we're going to say sudo./configure enable optimize sessions. This is going to take a bit of time. So the next step is to use altinstall. So the reason we're going to make use of altinstall is to prevent us from replacing the default Python binary files. And to do that, we say sudo make altinstall. This will take a bit of time. Now we need to remove the downloaded source account file. So to do that, let's say sudo rm/up/python 3.9.6.tags, and then hit enter, and it's done. So now I will check the Python version. I'm sure it's gonna show us the previous version. Let's say Python version, yep, 3.7. But don't worry, I'll tell you why. The reason is because we need to create a virtual environment to isolate from this Python, and then we can run the code that we want to run in Python 3.9 in that environment. And to do that, say Python 3.9 venv and then environment. Okay, now the command has created a directory called environment or env in the current directory, containing all the required files for the isolated environment. So every time you need to make changes or make use of this environment, the only thing you have to do is to type source env/bin/activate and hit enter. So now we've activated the environment. I'm gonna do Python version to check the version of the Python. So now we have Python 3.9.6. Okay, one more test again is to test a new function that has been introduced in Python 3.9 and above. And to do that, I'm gonna just type this. Open up the Python first. Now we have Python 3.9, and then I'm gonna type silas.remove prefix. This is a new function that's been introduced, and I'm gonna remove the s before Silas. This would not run in previous Python versions. It should run in 3.9. Yeah, it's done. Thank you very much, guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.